Hello, I am Deepak, and I'm going to sing a beautiful duet by Lata Mangeshkar and Mukesh from 1965 comedy movie Namaste Ji. Music by G.S. Kohli, and the lyrics were written by Anjan. So, in this movie, the stars are Mahmood, Amita, Ajit, I.S. Johar, Helen, Nalini Chonkar, Manorama, etc. And the movie was directed by two guys, that is Daljit and Krishna Malik, and produced by Krishna Malik. So what happens is that there is a wealthy guy named Daulat Ram. He has a son Anand who has come back from England after study, and he's supposed to be engaged to the daughter of a wealthy colonel, Bholanath. They live in Dehradun, and his daughter name is Usha. So their family have made arrangement for engagement, but they have not seen each other. And there is another man, namely his name is Ajit, who is unemployed, but he's a music teacher. So he goes to Dehradun. At the same time, this Ajit guy goes to Dehradun to meet Usha. And Ajit goes to Dehradun to teach music to Shobha, who is the daughter of a widow. So they are all in the same train. So when they get down at Dehradun, they are received by the wrong parties because their luggage has name A Kumar, A for Ajit and A for Anand. So their luggage gets confused and they go to the wrong people. So now Anand meets Shubha, and he takes her home, whereas Ajit meets Usha. And problem is that Anand does not know anything about music, whereas Shobha keeps talking of music, but they still fall in love. At the same time, Ajit keeps talking of music, but Usha is not interested in music. So it causes a lot of problem, confusion, and all that. But again, Ajit still falls in love with Usha. So now, even more problem starts when Daulat Ram brings Bharat to Usha's home because she was supposed to be engaged to his son Anand, but she refuses to this Bharat, and she says, "Oh no, no, I'm not marrying him. I'm going to marry somebody else." And so it creates a lot of problem. But at the end, the confusion is solved, and uh, Ajit, of course, marries Usha, and uh, Anand marries Shobha. So that is the movie. So let's listen to this beautiful number. It is based on Mahmood and Amita in the movie. Baharo Thamlo Ab Dil Mera Mehboob Aata Hai. Fantastic song. बहारों थाम लो अब दिल मेरा महबूब आता है ओ शरारत करना नाजुक दिल शर्म से डूब जाता है बहारों थाम लो अब दिल मेरा कहर अंदाज है तेरे कयामत है तेरी बातें ओ मेरी तो जान ले लेगी ये बातें ये मुलाकातें शनम शर्माए जब ऐसे मजा कुछ और आता है, ओ शरारत करना ना चुप, दिल शर्म से डूब जाता है। बहारों थाम लो अब दिल। लबों पर हंसी का दिल, गजब जादू निगाहों में, ओ कसम तुझको मोहब्बत की, मचलना ऐसे राहों में, ऐसे राहों में, मचल जाता है दिल जब रूबरू दिलदार आता है। ओ शरारत करना ना चुप, दिल शर्म से डूब जाता है। बहारों थाम लो अब दिल। Thank you very much for listening to this beautiful duet by Lata Mangeshkar and Mukesh from 1965 movie Namaste Ji. Very funny movie, especially with the Mahmood's comedy, just fantastic. And music by G.S. Kohli, and Anjan wrote the lyrics. So thanks a lot for listening. This is Deepak. Thank you very much.